Have you ever imagined harnessing river energy without disrupting its flow? Nearing Industries' hydroelectric water wheel makes it possible. Inspired by the classic Poncelet design, it's modernized for efficiency. The wheel measures 3 meters in diameter and 1 meter in width. And, crafted from aluminum, it's built to withstand the elements. Positioned at the river's edge, it captures kinetic energy smoothly. No dams, no barriers, just pure and uninterrupted water flow. It operates at a steady RPM, ensuring consistent energy output. A 5-to-1 belt drive amplifies the rotation speed for optimal generation. The integrated PM generator delivers up to 7.5 kilowatts of power. That's sufficient to supply electricity to an entire household. Ideal for remote areas lacking access to the power grid. The design emphasizes minimal environmental impact. Furthermore, fish and aquatic life navigate freely, unharmed by its presence. Mark Naring, the innovator behind this project, built it in his garage. His goal: sustainable energy without ecological compromise. Amusingly, the wheel's elevation can be manually adjusted based on river levels. Subsequently, a solar panel is used to charge the battery-powered hydraulic system. Monthly maintenance, such as greasing and checking belt tightness, is also required as the seasons change. The system's simplicity allows for easy installation and operation. No need for complex infrastructure or extensive modifications. The project has garnered attention from eco-conscious communities. Many see it as a viable solution for sustainable living. From rural communities to remote off-grid cabins, small-scale hydro systems like this help people use clean and continuous power. And with growing interest in sustainable solutions, more regions are turning to natural water flow as a reliable energy source. Would you consider such a solution for your sustainable energy needs?